Children, are you happy? Hello everyone. You know, a cheerful person gives everybody a feeling of happiness. Be happy and show your happiness by the way you behave. Keep a big smile on your face. Sometimes you have seen people smiling with a beam from one ear to another. So, when you smile, you have smile on your face, the other person also feel that happiness and reflects back with a big smile. We use the word cheers when we lift up our cups or glass to drink tea or coffee or cold drink. We use this word cheers. This is called greeting. Greetings are the messages of good wishes for somebody's health, happiness and cheerfulness. We often use the words like happy birthday or happy new year on certain occasions. Likewise, you say hello to somebody to welcome them. So, here what the message I want to give you that when you keep smile on the face when you are a cheerful person, it gives a good impression to other person also. And this lightens the situation and keep you pleased, amused, happy every time. So here it's a story of a Pranshu, a cheerful boy. Everybody in the school or in the house, they call Pranshu a cheerful boy. Chapter 6, Be Cheerful, from your Val Education book. Pranshu, he was a student of class 5 and we can see his smiling face always. It attracts everybody and it helps him to get more and more opportunities to contact with others. When he goes on a journey, then he makes his journey always joyful because he keeps talking or chatting with other peoples, which helps to relieve the boredom of the journey. Even when he does some mistakes, he keeps a smile on the face and he is ready to tell the truth. He is not scared of any punishment and this lightens the graveness of the matter. And even if he is guilty, he tends to be pardoned with a warning not to repeat the mistake. Then he thanks them by heart and takes a leave with a smile on his face. Naturally, the other person also will have the good impression. So whenever you do any mistakes also, children, you should tell the truth and don't make a sad face. Smile. You are accepting your mistake. You are guilty for that mistake. So why to become sad? So make the environment always light with the smile on your face. Keep wishing everyone a happy day, a happy health, and you also can behave like Pranshu. When you are good at heart, then you can pass these smiles to others also. Maintaining the quality of cheerfulness. Surely you have more and more contacts with others, and you'll get good opportunities in your life and career. It means that cheerfulness leads to the success in life. Career is the period of time that you spend in your life working with others. So, being cheerful as well as making others cheerful makes your work smooth and easy going. So, what values we got, children? That have a big smile on the face. Cheerfulness is the very flower of the health. When you are happy, you will get a sound health, and a cheerful heart is good medicine also. So if you want to be a healthy, you must be a cheerful person. Have a big smile on the face, children. Thank you, and have a safe day.